Hey everyone, how's it going? So today is a really big day, especially for the Artland channel, because today is the celebration of the 66th anniversary of Godzilla first premiering in theaters. So 66 years ago was the first time that Godzilla entered onto the big screen, and I've got to really give a lot of thanks to Godzilla because my Godzilla videos have really pushed the Artland channel and have really made it what it is today. And without all the Godzilla creations and all the creatures and the different types of Godzillas, my Artland channel would definitely not be as popular as it is. So in honor of Godzilla's 66th birthday today, I want to show you guys just a fun, easy way on how to draw Godzilla. So I hope you guys get to follow along, enjoy, and definitely do something fun today for Godzilla's birthday. Whatever you want. Draw a picture, watch the movie, do something fun to celebrate this awesome day of Godzilla's 66th birthday. So hope you guys enjoy. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to draw just a little line that goes down like this at an angle. Then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it back and then up for the eye. Very simple. Now, starting here by the eye, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and it's going to go over like this for the top of the head. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and it's going to curve down. Then I'm going to draw this line at a diagonal like this. And then it's going to come down. Next, you want to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm going to bring it right back here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down here. I'm going to bring it down all the way to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down to about there. Then I want to make the arms. So draw the arms, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes out. I'm going to draw a couple little points on here for the claw. And then I'm just going to draw the arm back here. Then I'm going to keep drawing this line, and I'm going to kind of curve it in. Then I want to draw the leg. So to draw the leg, I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes down at an angle. Then I'm going to bring it straight down. And then to draw the foot, you're going to draw a line that goes out, and it's going to come back for a toe. You're going to have another one that goes out and comes back. And then one more that goes out, and then it's going to curve back here. Then I'm going to draw this line up, and I'm going to bring this back here. Now I'm going to take this line, and I'm going to continue drawing it, and I'm going to make a big curve like this. And then I'm going to keep curving it this way. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to curve this around, and I'm going to bring it back. It's going to get a little bit bigger, and I want it to come right to here. So I'm going to put a little curve at the end. And as I get closer to the body, I'm going to make it bigger and bigger. And then I want it to come right to here. Now, I want to add some details on here. I'm going to give Godzilla a little dot for his nose. I'm going to add some sharp teeth in his mouth on the top and bottom. Little triangles and V's. And then I want to add some of the spikes on here. Now the spikes are actually easy. Just draw a line that goes up. Then I'm going to go down. Then I'll go up and down again. And then I'll go up and then down back to the body. And I'm going to just keep doing this all along the body. I'm going to make some of these spikes get a little bit bigger as they get towards his back. And then I'm going to slowly start making them a little smaller. They kind of look like little crowns, like a little crown for like a king or a queen. And then I'm also going to put these little spikes all along the tail too, just to make sure they get smaller and smaller as they go down the tail. And there you go. There is your quick and easy drawing of Godzilla in honor of Godzilla Day 2020. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.